Hi, I'm Steve Bronner, Senior Product Manager for Sharp's Professional Display Division, here at Digital Signage Expo 2018. And what we're showcasing here is our LE series, our LE601 and 701 commercial displays. These have digital tuners, and for the first time, these units are actually assembled in the US. They're assembled in the USA in Sharp's Wisconsin factory. This is brand new for us. Assembled from foreign components, but in the U.S., so they're fully TAA compliant. And these units are flanking actually another new unit. This one not assembled in the USA, but it's called the UH601, which is an expansion of the commercial display line. And the UH601 has 4K resolution, so you can really have your digital signage pop out with 4 times the resolution of a full HD display. If you want to find out any more information about these displays or other models, please visit us on the web at www.sharpusa.com/monitors.